Sanjeeb Kumar, the Director of Finance, joins in on the show right now to talk about how their quarter was and what's the visibility like going forward. Mr. Kumar, great to have you today on ET Now. Firstly, I wanted to understand...
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. I wanted to understand about the first half because the performance there continues to remain muted. Tell me what's the growth outlook and the visibility for the second half that you have at your hand right now?
Even in this quarter, actually quarter to quarter, we have touched the turnover and the earnings of last year. The same quarter, corresponding quarter of last year, which was last year it was 4912 crore. This year it's 4869 crore. However, because of a very muted first quarter, the half year remains low. But from minus 25 down, now we are minus 13 compared to last year at this point. And it remains because we have picked up work, picked up speed, and our order book also is growing. And in some of the work which we got late last year, early this year, we are well on the way of execution. So the work and our overall earnings also will grow in the coming quarter and the second half of the year.
The guidance that you had earlier set out for your revenues, about 22,000 crore rupees in FY25, does that stay intact?
It stays intact because we had a target of around 5,000 crore in the work that we have secured on bidding. And railway work also is mainly new line and some of the remaining doubling left. And we have 50,000 crore work there. So this year we shall achieve 22 to 23,000 crore.
Morning. I wanted to also understand what the outlook is when it comes to your current order book. Where does that stand? And can you just break it down for us in terms of the division within your order book, where you're seeing the maximum momentum?
The maximum momentum, because we have mainly the legacy works from the railways, which were given to us on nomination basis, and where we were working as an extended arm of the Ministry of Railways. And there we still have 53,140 crores of work of order book still there, and which will take around 3 to 4 years to completely finish. Now, even the railways work we secure are through bidding. And till September, it stood at 30,388. I'd like to share with you that we have achieved in fact, in November itself, we have got a big telecom order for UP East and UP West, around 9,000 crores. And we have some electrical and civil work also. So we have around 9 to 10,000 crores of new work. So total order book stands at around 92,000 crore, out of which 38,000 is acquired through bidding.
That's the overall order book position.
Yes.
And, in Q1, there was also a delay across some of the metro projects, and I understand there was a slowdown in execution across geographies. How did that affect the overall order booking, and what is the outlook going forward?
The metro projects, both the nominated project Calcutta Metro, where we had because of various factors, we were behind. But now we have picked up around 900 crores of work has been done in this quarter in Calcutta, Kolkata Metro, and other metros like Chennai and Bhopal and Indore, that is the Madhya Pradesh Metro, and Maharashtra Metro in Nagpur and Pune. The work have picked up, and metro is a very important sector now.
Right, and the company also mentioned that it's working on some cost control measures. You're targeting on bidding projects to improve the EBITDA margin. Can you tell us a little bit more about this strategy and where that takes your margins in the coming quarters?
Yes, we are trying to cut down on staff cost, and we have done a lot of value engineering. In fact, the direct expenditure on establishment cost has remained static in spite of the fact that our turnover has increased over this quarter. And we have focused on planning and trained our employees to perform better. And we have selected good employees and good agencies wherever we have to subcontract. We have a cell which monitors procurement on monthly basis, and we have performed as per expectations in this quarter, and we should do much better in the next 2 quarters.
Right. I also wanted to understand the bids for the Bangladesh projects. They were, sort of stopped earlier because of the political turmoil. What's the update now, and which other foreign projects are you targeting for bidding now next?
Bangladesh is still, we are taking a cautious look at it, but we have the Maldives work has also slowed down. It is about to pick up now, and we have a solar project in partnership with another agency in Uzbekistan, and we have an electrical project in Rwanda. So these are coming up, and we have set up offices in Dubai and South Africa. So we are now focused at foreign projects also, in ports and solar electricity projects.
Okay, fair enough. And the Vande Bharat prototype as well is expected by September 25. Share with us the update on the timeline. What kind of an opportunity do you see this for the company in terms of the order size?
The order size, that is a company, Canet, in which we have a 25% equity. However, we are involved fully in the production of the Vande Bharat sleeper coaches. At the moment, there is a slight delay because from 16 coach trains, these now the Ministry of Railways want us to produce 24 coach trains for overnight long distance because of the market requirements. So, however, we are almost on track, and we have placed orders for engineering inputs. We have recruited people, and we have taken over the factory in Latur, which also RVNL had commissioned.
I want to delve a little bit deeper into, the visibility that you have on your order book. If you could just break it down within segments for us and tell us where is it that you see more growth coming in than what was previously incurred in Q2? And where is it that you are expecting some amount of stagnancy or a slowdown?
In fact, the new line of the railway segment, that is our biggest single segment remaining. And Rishikesh, Karnaprayag, we have finished 60% of the tunneling work, and that will also grow. The target is in around less than 2 years, we'll be able to commission that. We have some land issues in Bhanupalli, Bilaspur, and Himachal Pradesh government is one of our is bearing 25% of the cost. So that may slow down. However, we in the work that we have acquired on bidding, in metros, all the metro works, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and of course our anchor work in Kolkata, we are well on the way. So I don't see difficulty there in achieving our targets.
All right, good to have you on board. Thank you so much for taking time out and joining in. That's the word coming in from the management of RVNL.